Hey guys, welcome back. So recently I was in the Pottery Barn and I saw the cutest little jack-o'-lantern pumpkins that you see here, and I decided to do a craft and sort of duping or DIYing these to get the same exact look. So we're gonna get started. I grabbed some jack-o'-lanterns. Most people have these in the home, but you can pick them up from any craft store. And I'm also going to be using some baking soda. This is going to bring texture and a color that would be close to the pumpkins at the Pottery Barn. I'm using Folk Arts Pueblo, that is the color. So I'm just going to mix these together. Actually, it's going to be super quick and easy to get the consistency that I wanted. And once it was mixed well, I just added a little bit of water, and that way it will have sort of a thickness to it. This is sort of the consistency that you want, or it can be a little bit thicker. And you're simply going to get a soft bristle brush rather, and you're just going to paint it. You're going to get into all those grooves all around its eyes and its teeth, anywhere where you see the plastic, because the idea is to just cover up everything with this textured paint. And when we're done, it will look just like one of the Pottery Barn pumpkins. I love those jack-o'-lanterns. They are viral, and this is such a quick, family-friendly DIY where you can get the kiddos involved. After all, they're not using anything like a hot glue gun. So I love crafting where the family can get involved. As it started to dry, by the way, as you notice, it's a little bit thicker. I actually like that because it allowed it to have even more texture. So on the top, where you can see a little bit of the stem where it's black, where I was holding it when I was painting it, all I had to do was go back a second time and just cover up those little areas. To dry it quickly, I just put it in front of the fan for 15 minutes and voila, we are done. The texture on these are amazing. I absolutely love them. They do definitely look like they are some kind of terracotta. And just to give it a little bit more of a cast, I did add a little bit of baking soda on top at the end, and then I went in with that same brush and I just dusted it off, and it really does give it the appearance of a handmade terracotta jack-o'-lantern. And do you see the texture on these? These cute jack-o'-lanterns are so budget friendly. They're family friendly for doing any type of crafts with the kiddos. And guys, they are so cute. I'm just going to show you quickly how I styled them. This is just a quick idea of a vignette, but I can imagine these being on a console or a desktop or a countertop shelving. It's just cute for any time. Just so cute. So I hope you like this DIY. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my videos out so much. Before you subscribe and comment below, I would love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video, where I'm going to be bringing back some more DIYs, but also some decorating and also some more shop with me videos. So look out for those, and I'll see you guys in the next video.